Hi everyone, welcome to Cloud Hero. I'm Letitia and today we are diving into the fascinating world of cloud computing, a game changer that's not just transforming the tech industry, but also reshaping how the entire world operates. Let me first share a little bit about my journey. I've been in the computer science field for a couple of years now, but it wasn't until about a year ago that I truly discovered cloud computing. And let me tell you, it blew my mind. Back in school, when we talked about technology and computer science, the focus was often on areas like web development, data science, AI, UX, UI design, or software engineering. Cloud computing was barely mentioned, if at all. Yet, it's a field that's revolutionizing everything from how businesses operate to how we store and access data in our daily lives. And let me tell you, the more I learned about the cloud, the more passionate I became. That's why I decided to create this channel to share what I've learned throughout my journey and try my best to provide you with valuable resources to help you in becoming job ready in this exciting field. If you are new to the world of cloud, curious about how it works, or trying to decide which tech career path to pursue, you are in the right place. You might be wondering, is cloud computing for me, or how does it fit into the bigger tech picture? You are at the perfect starting point to explore this field. So in this video, and because it is my very first video, I will break down and talk about what is cloud computing, how cloud computing is used in different industries, the main services it offers, different careers you can explore in cloud computing, and finally I will talk about why it's such an essential part of the tech landscape today. So with that being said, let's dive into today's video. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing simply refers to the delivery of IT resources or computing services like storage, servers, databases, and software over the internet with a pay-as-you-go pricing model. It allows users to access resources on demand without needing to manage physical infrastructures. A simple way to illustrate this concept is, for example, before iCloud, iPhone users stored their photos in their device's gallery. As memory filled up, this became a problem. iCloud was then introduced as a solution, allowing users to store photos and data online. Some storage options are free, while others require a small fee, so you no longer have to worry about running out of space. This situation applies to cloud computing in general. Every day, many businesses are created and they need websites and systems to manage client information and data. Instead of purchasing multiple servers for storage, companies can rent powerful computers and storage as needed from anywhere and at any time. Guess what? What makes cloud computing truly special is that it offers far more than just storage. It empowers businesses to handle critical functions seamlessly. For instance, it allows companies to manage finances by enhancing security to protect sensitive data and securely handling billing and payments. Cloud computing also helps automate tasks to save time and reduce errors. It also integrates with AI for smarter decision-making and enhances services. Additionally, the global accessibility provided by the cloud ensures that customers can access services from anywhere around the world. All of this enables businesses to focus on their core objectives while the cloud handles the technical heavy lifting. Cloud providers like AWS, also known as Amazon Web Services, GCP, which stands for Google Cloud Platform, and Azure are the key players making these advancements possible. AWS is the most widely chosen platform among businesses and developers. While this could change in the future, for now, most businesses prefer AWS for managing their projects. Now let's see why is cloud computing a game changer. The cloud powers pretty much everything. Our social media apps like Instagram, TikTok, and Snapchat rely on the cloud to store massive amounts of user-generated content like photos and videos. The cloud enables instant scaling to handle millions of users posting and streaming simultaneously, particularly during viral events. In healthcare, the cloud supports electronic health records, telemedicine, and even AI-powered diagnostics. Doctors and patients can now share medical records instantly and securely through encrypted platforms. Smart devices like fitness trackers can now send health data to the cloud for analysis and alerts. This process is called real-time monitoring. Cloud platforms integrate with AI by running machine learning algorithms to detect diseases early by analyzing patient data. In the entertainment industry, platforms like Netflix, Spotify, and gaming apps leverage the cloud to store and stream content seamlessly to millions of users worldwide. The cloud delivers movies, music, and live streams at the speed of light. The cloud also connects and manages data processing with IoT devices like Alexa. Those devices send data to the cloud for analysis, and it then triggers actions like adjusting your home's temperature or notifying you of a package delivery. The COVID pandemic accelerated cloud adoption. During that period, everything was happening remotely, which obviously created a strong need for cloud solutions to maintain operations. Let's now discuss the different types of cloud services. The different services cloud providers like AWS offers can be structured into three parts. On the first position, we have IaaS, also known as Infrastructure as a Service, where cloud providers offer services like AWS EC2 or Google Compute Engine, which gives you the opportunity to just manage the software while the cloud provider takes care of the hardware. It is basically like renting virtual computer power and storage, and this model is commonly used by administrators and provides virtualized infrastructures like servers, storage, and networks. On the second position, we have PaaS, known as Platform as a Service. Here, you are renting the entire environment for building and running applications. You focus on the code while the cloud provider takes care of the infrastructure. Examples are AWS Elastic Beanstalk or Google App Engine, and this model is mostly used by developers. Finally, we have SaaS, known as Software as a Service. This includes the different softwares that most people interact with daily. Apps like Gmail, Microsoft 365, or Salesforce are examples. This service enables you to use those softwares over the internet without worrying about any backend systems. Let's explore the uses of cloud computing. From our discussion, you likely now have a solid understanding of the various uses of cloud computing. Here are some of the key applications. Cloud computing offers key benefits such as storage and data management, allowing you to store data safely and securely, and enable access to files from anywhere and at any time. This ensures that your data is always available and protected. Collaboration. Here, teams use cloud-based tools like Google Workspace or Microsoft Teams to work in real time, boosting productivity and communication for efficient remote work. Computing power. It provides scalable resources for tasks like complex simulations, big data analytics, or hosting gaming servers without the need for costly hardware. Disaster recovery is a key advantage. It ensures business continuity by securely backing up data in the cloud, minimizing downtime, and allowing operations to resume smoothly after physical infrastructure failures. Cloud computing provides scalability and flexibility, enabling businesses to adjust their infrastructure according to demand, optimizing resource allocation, reducing costs, and improving overall performance. And finally, we can't forget about security, where leading cloud providers invest heavily in security measures, offering features like encryption, identity management, and access control to ensure the safety of your data in the cloud. Let's shift our focus to the different carriers in the cloud. With the cloud revolution, there is a huge demand for cloud professionals, whether it's cloud architects, engineers, or security experts. Some of the core roles in cloud computing are, firstly, cloud architect. Cloud architects are the masterminds behind building a company's cloud infrastructure. They design how all the pieces, servers, storage, networking, and databases work together in the cloud. They are responsible for selecting the right cloud provider like AWS, Azure, or GCP, designing scalable and cost-efficient architectures, and integrating cloud services with on-premises systems. For example, when Netflix expanded globally, cloud architects played a key role in building the cloud infrastructure to ensure seamless streaming for millions of users. Secondly, we have cloud developers. Cloud developers focus on developing cloud-based applications and services. They write the code for apps that run on the cloud, utilizing cloud services like storage, databases, and AI tools to build software. They are responsible for developing APIs, web apps, or mobile apps using cloud frameworks, optimizing performance for cloud environments, and debugging or updating cloud-native applications. For example, the developers behind Zoom used cloud services to build an app that supports millions of video calls simultaneously. To continue, we have DevOps engineers. DevOps engineers manage continuous integration and continuous deployment, also known as CI/CD pipelines, and automate cloud operations. They ensure smooth collaboration between development and operations teams by automating processes for efficient updates and fixes. Their responsibilities include setting up CI/CD pipelines, managing tools like Jenkins, GitLab, and Docker for deployment, and ensuring that cloud infrastructure is properly monitored and maintained. For instance, when an e-commerce app like Amazon needs to update features during a sale, DevOps engineers ensure deployments happen quickly without affecting the customer experience. Don't worry if some of these technical terms seem confusing right now. It's totally normal, it just means that you are not yet familiar with those terms. Lastly, we have the cloud security specialist. These professionals ensure the safety and compliance of cloud services. They are responsible for protecting cloud environments from security threats, ensuring sensitive data is secure, and that the cloud systems are compliant with industry regulations. For example, cloud security specialist ensures that data stored in the cloud by companies like Dropbox is encrypted and protected from unauthorized access. These roles provide a glimpse of the many career opportunities in cloud computing. As the field continues to evolve and expand, the demand for specialized roles is growing. In addition to core roles like cloud architect, cloud developer, and DevOps engineer, there are numerous other specialized positions, each offering unique contributions to the cloud ecosystem. Why is cloud computing a great career? As I mentioned earlier, the cloud industry is growing rapidly, offering exciting career opportunities and competitive salaries. It's a field where innovation is constant and the demand for skilled professionals is higher than ever. I believe I've covered the key points about cloud computing, but if I missed anything, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe, especially if you find this type of content helpful. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.